Broken Apple device. Breathe easy. At NOVAS, our expert repairs. Restore your device to optimal performance, swiftly and reliably. Our factory-certified technicians at NOVAS execute every repair with precision, ensuring your device is restored to the highest standards. Damaged or unresponsive screen, NOVAS restores your display, delivering seamless functionality with unparalleled accuracy. Compromised camera performance. Our NOVAS team fine-tunes every lens and sensor, ensuring your photos and videos shine like new. Facing performance issues? NOVAS skilled technicians expertly repair internal components, optimizing your device to factory specifications. With NOVAS, your Apple device is more than repaired. It's revitalized, ready for you to collect and power on.